Okay, so my dishwasher has been backing up a couple of times lately. What I think is happening is the disposal is backing up and then backfeeding into the line in the dishwasher, which is causing the dishwasher to back up. So this is the purge line from the dishwasher that goes into the disposal that drains into the drain. So last time I did this, I took it all apart, pulled that out, and hooked up my air compressor and blew the line out. The problem with that is I set my air compressor to about 100 psi, and it blew basically vomit smelling boogers all over my kitchen. So I'm gonna try a little different approach this time. So what I did was I measured the inside diameter of the purge hose from the dishwasher, and it was a little less than an inch. I went and got an adapter to my shop vac that should fit inside this adapter right here. So I'm gonna take it off with nut driver, 5/16. Now be careful because this usually is filled with water and it'll drain all over the place. So what I'm gonna do is very carefully take this out and try to suck the booger out. Well, that didn't work. So, plan B. I'm gonna put it back on, tighten it back up. Now, I'm going to get under the dishwasher, I take it apart, and use my air compressor again. Stand by. Dishwashers are pretty easy to take out. Usually there's a couple of mounting bolts or screws. I've got one here on this side of the dishwasher, one here on this side of the dishwasher. Take those screws out, whole thing slides out, and the other side of that drain line should be right about here. Once you got the screws out, the whole thing should just pull out. Now, all the lines are still hooked up, so be careful. Don't pull it out too far. You just need to pull it out far enough to where you can get to the drain line. So there's also a cover underneath here, and I need a flathead screwdriver to pull out. Undo the screws and the cover comes right off. So my drain line is actually right here. It's close enough to where I don't think, I don't need to pull out the dishwasher. So I took those two screws out for nothing. So here's underneath the dishwasher, I got the access cover pulled off. Here's the pump right here, comes out the drain line here. And you can see over in here, the drain line goes back and out into the disposal. So I'm gonna pull the dishwasher out, get to the drain line, and see if I can blow that snot booger out. So I got my dishwasher pulled out now. I'm just gonna trace my drain line. There's actually a connection right here, which is where I'm gonna hook my air hose up to. Just gonna take some channel locks, some slip joint pliers, whatever you wanna call them. Pull that connection off. I'll move the clamp, pull that apart, and it's gonna spray goop all over the place. Just clean that up with a towel. And it smells absolutely terrible. So let me go get my air compressor. All right, let's clean this up here. That smell is absolutely horrendous. I don't want any more of me than I have to. So, there. I have my air chuck here. Lola's coming to say hi. I am going to take it, hold it on the end of this hose. I've got it set to about 30 psi. See if I can get that to dislodge whatever is in there causing the drain stoppage. I don't want it blowing all over the kitchen. Yep. Oh. Sorry, my air compressor kicked off. So, it seemed to have worked. The last time I did this, I had it set at 100 psi, and it blew basically vomit all over my kitchen. It was absolutely disgusting. It took me 3 days to clean it up. So, I heard a little gurgle, which is what you're listening for. That means it's cleared whatever clog that was in there. Now I can hear it come through the other end in my garbage disposal, which means whatever was in there is gone. So now all I'm gonna do is reverse the process and then clean everything up because it smells like straight throw up. Put that back on. That's it.